guys, this is Christy, a faithful guest of Rain the Salon, and today I am going to try to demonstrate how to use a root touch-up spray for those of you who are just itching to take care of those awful dreaded roots. So here is how it kind of works, but first I wanted to show you kind of what I'm going through myself. If you look, you can see how much I've grown out here and here. Oh, everyone thinks I'm a natural redhead. I used to be, not anymore. Now, thanks to Blake, people still think I am, which I love. Anyway, there's more of it. So, I've already kind of done the sides of my hair for you guys, but I wanted you to see how easy this is. So I am using the red Oribe that I purchased from Rain the Salon. So they come in every shade, and I got a little tip from my hairdresser, Blake. He said that if you're just kind of not sure or a little nervous, choose a shade that is a little darker because a shadowed root is in style. So here we go. So what you do is you take the spray, and I shake it a little bit, and first part your hair in the middle and get your middle part pretty good. So I'm doing this with a camera instead of my mirror, but let's see here. So I kind of got my part going there, kind of, sort of, and I'm just going to take it and I'm going to shake it and spray it a little bit. And then I'm going to work it in. Just work it in real good there. Woohoo! It's looking good. And then I'm going to take another part. Just take another little section. You can split it into sections and lay it over right here. And spray again. You can just see how nice it is. And rub it. And if you get a little on your face, it's no big deal. Super easy to wipe off. There you go. And let's get this right here. We'll do this side. Woohoo! They're going away temporarily. I am so happy. So let's see. Get this part right. This is a little tricky doing it in my phone. I'm a little older than those peeps that know how to do all this stuff on the phone. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to spray it just a little bit. Like that. And rub it in. Again, if you get a little on your head, no big deal. You can wipe it off. Super easy. And you can just take something and wipe it right here. There you go. Yeah. So check it out. Now, wow, look you guys. I'm back. So there it is. Your roots are covered in like 5 minutes, and your hair is not ruined from some boxed color that you would get from Walmart, Target, wherever. So, guys, let's show our hairdressers a little love and remember that they need us as much as we need them. So, don't go to the box. Get your root color. Take care of your roots and be patient. We're going to all get through this. Hang in there. We'll be finished soon, and before you know it, we'll be back in that wonderful salon, in that wonderful chair, seeing our wonderful hairdresser. And just want to shout out and say I love Rain Hair Salon. You guys, all of you, just have become like family to me, and can't wait to see you soon. And love you, Blake. Bye.